Sienna Racing here. Today we are going to install these rear shock tower reinforcement plates on my 323 RS E36 BMW. So what you're going to need is, of course, I got these from Condor Speed Shop, 2 rear shock mounts. You can get them pretty easily. They're 20 bucks with shipping from here, or you can use the Z3 plates sticker. Also, you're going to need is a 3/8 ratchet or ring ratchet that has a 13mm socket. You can use a deep socket also. The short socket should be fine, but that's about it. Let's go to the car. Okay, so you're gonna want to remove the trunk lining like this. You can take these little tiny bits that hold in the trunk lining and the plastic parts off with a 10mm socket. It's pretty easy. They're not torqued too hard. And then you'll get to the actual shock tower. So you want to check for any cracks before you install these, because if there is any cracks, you're gonna have to get that welded before you put these in, because it's not gonna help. So I think mine look pretty good in shape, so I'm gonna move forward. So like I said, you're gonna want to get a 13mm socket and just make sure not to jack up the car, because you want the suspension to be held in place. I'll tell you when I got all the nuts out, and then when I got both of the nuts out, you're just gonna want to get your plate, and then just, sorry for the view, just gonna place it on top into the studs like that, where it's flush, and that's basically it. Not much to it. And these bolt it back on. Don't torque it too much, because it's not meant to be torqued too much, but torque it enough that it feels tight and solid. Probably with the ratchet, you don't need to do exact torque measures. Just like that, both of the plates are in and torqued. So after that, you're just gonna want to put everything back and you're done. It's really simple. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. Be sure to like and subscribe.